Hey guys, Jonathan Peace here with Sparc Industries. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek at a new feature that we're including on all of our steering wheels, all the Muscle Series, Heritage Series, and the upcoming relaunch driver series that we'll be relaunching really soon. I'm calling it a HubSleeve. It's this little piece of nylon that doesn't look like much, but it's a very simple fix to an annoying problem that I always see with steering columns. This is our driver series adapter, and you see that it just hooks in on the hub side of the adapter. So what this does is, whenever I've got an I did it column here and a factory 76 C10 column, but whenever you put this adapter on the column, it fills in the gap right here, so you don't see all the way through like on any other adapters out there. Now, with our Muscle Series steering wheel, this is my truss. It does the same thing. It hooks into the inside of the hub, and whenever you place it onto the steering column, it fills in that gap. You can't see through it. Now, the reason I have the factory GM column here is that an adapter without the hub sleeve, which they just pop in and out, it just screws right on, not screws on, it slides right onto the column over the turn signal mechanism, and it also has no gap, but this is original. So that's just the little details that we like to continually update our products with, this hub sleeve, and just to add a little bit more quality, fit and finish, and craftsmanship to our products. I hope you guys like it, and there's a lot more to come. Thanks for watching.